I was in the dark and worried. What do I do? It was so stressful. I just don't have the answers. I felt stuck.
I can sense stress and suffering.
Don't face your future alone. Call now. Receive your discount astrological forecast from Dennis today. What tire size should I run? Will the lift fit my budget? Your path will be clearly and concisely laid out before you. What about my Jeep's ride?
You're building a new Wrangler JL, aren't you?
How did you know? Don't hesitate to call Dennis. Even if he has no idea, he will always give you an answer. Guaranteed. I was going to keep my Jeep family friendly, but I want my Jeep to look good. Maybe I need to go bigger. What should I do?
The cards do not lie. Falcon monotube shocks, an 1.5-inch spacer, bump stops. Ah yes, the TeraFlex ST1. I thought so. This will work nicely. You will also achieve a look that will inspire peer group approval and acceptance.
But is it affordable?
Yes, it's affordable. You only need to buy a TeraFlex Suspension System once with its lifetime warranty. This decision will be life-changing. In your future, I see friends, companionship, and an impressive in-their-face appearance at your high school reunion.
Don't wait a second longer. TeraFlex is here to fill your needs and re-establish harmony between you and your Jeep. Call the live one-on-one psychic connection number for your private reading. You'll feel the love as you talk to one of our Psycho customer service reps.
Just know that TeraFlex is here for you. Call today.